Alright, is this shit on? Anyways, my name's Jeff O'Neill. I live in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and it's, 10:30 at night? And I keep hearing some things. I don't know. I keep seeing these YouTube videos about, like, strange sounds and shit like that, but, like, I don't know. There's some other people walking out here, and I talked to a couple and stuff like that, but, like, I don't even know. But, oh, what the fuck is that? There's some guy over here. What's up, bro? Did you hear that sound yet?
Yeah, man. What the fuck was that? Like, did you see the lights and shit?
No, I didn't. I thought I saw something, but like, it's fucking weird. Like, I don't know. It's fucked up. There it is. There's the sound.
Yeah, dude. Fuck.
Yeah, yeah. That's the sound right there. Like, fuck. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking for, but.